Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove ads on the Happy Color application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and if you want to remove the ads, click to the settings icon at the lower bar and the lower right corner of the screen. Here you can find two sections, the gameplay and the general. If you want to remove the ads, click to the general section and you can find the remove ads button. Here, if you want to buy the Here, if you buy the premium, you can remove the ads, but actually I don't use that option. But if you want, just click to remove ads, add your card data, and you can buy the premium function. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.